In this video, I'm going to show you how to help repair a stuck latch on a sliding glass door. In my case, when I go to it and we lock it, it locks pretty easy going inward, but when you're trying to unlock it, it gets stuck. And you have to try it a few times before it will open. So the specific problem is this locking mechanism, you know, it's just old and dirty. So that's the easy way. But when you're trying to, you know, unlock it, it gets hung up on this stuff in there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just do some cleaning, deep cleaning of it. First step, I'm just gonna spray some multi-surface cleaner inside of there and let it sit for a minute or two. And then I'm gonna get a wire brush and start cleaning on the inside of it. WD-40 would probably work pretty good too. So this is just a standard wire brush that I use for various activities like this. I'm just gonna try to clean all around this. See what I can break loose. Already getting better. All right, next step, just to make sure this is a long-lasting solution, I got some grease that I purchased for, I don't know, probably working on a car or a truck. So I'm gonna use some of this grease and put it in the locking mechanism. All right, gonna grab some grease here and just push it in that. All right, and then cleaning up. It's very simple, just a paper towel. Okay, final test. Good as new.